AquaShield is a new range of non-permeable universal fittings that are an ideal solution on brownfield sites to connect different barrier pipe systems. Before assembly, ensure that the SDR rating of the pipe is correct for the barrier pipe coupling. If an SDR17 pipe is used on an SDR11 spigot, the fitting will not function. Cut the pipe end as square as possible and remove any reversion. Ensure both inside and outside of pipe are free of any dirt, debris or scoring. Loosen the bolts on the clamp bands enough to remove the 3 clamp bands from the coupling. Slide the clamp band assembly over the pipe, ensuring that the hooks are facing towards the opening end of the pipe. Slide the spigot of the coupling onto the first pipe, ensuring that the end of the pipe is flush with the spigot flange face. Align the clamp bands with the groove. Check that the pipe is visible in at least 2 of the windows. This will ensure the pipe is in the correct position, and then slightly tighten the clamp bands so that it's set in the groove and the first pipe is secured. The bolts are reversible and can be adjusted to suit the ease of installation. Working around the fitting, evenly tightening up the bolts sequentially and incrementally, turning each 3 or 4 turns at a time with a torque wrench. Torque up the bolts using a calibrated torque wrench up to a bolt torque of 200 to 210 Newton meters. Continue working round until the correct bolt torque is achieved on all nuts with the torque wrench. The product will not properly seal if one bolt is torqued up completely before the rest. This video is designed to guide you through the installation process. It should not be used as a replacement for the full installation and printed IOM. You should always adhere to your company health and safety guidelines, method statements, risk assessments and/or safe systems of work that apply to your installations, including all applicable PPE requirements in line with your duty of care under relevant OH&S legislation.